Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Now Experts Time channel. So we are discussing license subscription, how it is calculating in ServiceNow ecosystem. In past few videos, I explained how the license calculation is happening. IT service management, customer service management, HR service delivery, and software asset management modules. So this session is trying to give the clarity about IT operation management module, how the license calculation is happening, and what are all the uh, applications supporting this. Application means store application supporting to understand that subscription unit or consumption unit in the IT operation management. ServiceNow side, they released a very beautiful article. That beautiful article, it helps you to understand the clear information about IT operation management. So if you have access from ServiceNow support, then you can easily access this KB article. Otherwise, you cannot access it. This is a KB article number, gives the clear picture of your IT operation management subscription. So when you logged into this article, it give you a more clarity from step by step approach in your ServiceNow ecosystem. So here, first what we need to understand is subscription unit overview. We need to understand it. Next, we need to install this ITOM SU license store app. This store app you cannot install in your personal instance. You should have a business instance. It's completely free subscription, so subscribe it and tag or opt in your ServiceNow instance, business ServiceNow instance. Then by default it will install in your instance. So once it is installed, then you should check this property. This property value, by default it is true. You make it as false, and you start your license subscription related analysis or understanding in your ServiceNow ecosystem. So once these are all the items are completed, then go to your ServiceNow instance, and if you go to your left navigation pan and type ITOM license, then these are all the items it will display. So when it displays, when the store app it is installed in your ServiceNow ecosystem, then you can see these type of modules visibility in your business ServiceNow instance. So once you installed these item, it will be displayed. This item, it will give you a clear cut picture about your license subscription in IT operation management. So here, if you want to do a daily usage count, then directly click this daily usage count and you can see it. So I can show some options. I already opened it, so we will go one by one walkthrough. So this is a pretty much important part. So ITOM licensing CI counts, how the calculation is happening using this ratio. So subscription unit ratio, we need to understand it very clear manner. So server side, it's a common item for all business use case, and similar way network, similar way other CIs asserts, right? So how this calculation is happening? You take a server. If server is, it's like a one-to-one license. That means 1:1. If it is a PaaS, platform as a service, then 3:1. If it is a FaaS, then 20:1. In containers it is a 10:1. So what is that? How to understand this information also available in your article. You just open it and read it, you will get a clarity. So what it representing here is, these are all the total count derived from your existing service now instance. How much devices are there by default, it will display here. So once it is derived, then it will apply this subscription unit ratio. Based on the ratio, the total subscription units will be calculated. For example, here 129 license from servers, so 1 is to 1 license, that means 129 license is required. Here pass 73 is a total count, says are there. This 73, it follows a 3 is to 1 unit ratio, that is formula. That means 73 divided by 3, then what you are seeing is 24. So 73 divided by 3 equal to 24. So one license is applicable for 3 devices or 3 CIs. So based on that, it deriving the calculation. So if you refer the software asset management license consumption video, the similar type of formula applied there. That subscription unit ratio concept is applicable for your ITOM and ITAM license consumption. So ITSM and CSM, role based license, fixed license, and group based tagging or user based tagging, it is calculating the license. ITSM and CSM. HR, that is different story, and SAM, it is a different story. When you talk about the SAM, what subscription unit ratio followed, similar type of formula it is used in ITOM subscription unit ratio as well. So typical, there is a relationship. So ITSM CSM, same formula. ITOM and ITAM, same formula, but unit ratio it will be different. That unit ratio it will be highlighted in your license report. You can open or you can install that item and open that table and try to understand how the license calculation is happening. Just a minute, I'll go this item. So here it clearly explains what are all the devices or what are all the classes it is associated, how it is calculating. So everything it is clearly highlighted in this table. So each class wise it is clearly representing. So if you go to this instance, and additionally there is a ITOM licensing dashboards also there. If you are using a discovery, you go to the discovery, how many devices it is discovered per day, how the license are calculated, those informations are available in this dashboard. So currently I'm using my personal instance, so you cannot see the real data, but when you are trying to use your business instance, you can see the real data. So this ITOM licensing dashboard, it's another key feature to understand the discovered devices subscription unit. Additionally, if you go to your ITOM license here, few more options also there. So for example, licensing dashboard, we just explained. Daily usage count, if you want to see it, just click that daily usage license count. Then it will show category wise, like how much from cloud, how much from health, how much from health log analytics, how much from application optimization point of view, how much from application visibility. So the ServiceNow itself, it is categorized and providing that result based on the categorization. So if these points are clear, then you can easily identify that subscription count. Normally we call it as a SKUs, SKUS, SKUs. So this will help you clear information about that item related subscription information. So If you install this store app, these are all the modules are there. Use these modules, explore these modules, and try to support and try to calculate that license consumption day to day basis. And you can easily guide the customer how to calculate the license from IT operation management point of view. So it's very simple. So no need to do any major codes, no need to do any major configurations. Install that store app, apply that property changes based on the devices what discovered from your data source. It automatically calculate and displaying the result in your dashboards and in your appropriate daily usage count table and reports. I hope it give clear information about the license usage from IT operation management. Stay tuned with Now Experts Time channel. You will see more videos. Thank you. Good day and goodbye.